Hi, in this video I will show you how to hard reset on Samsung Galaxy M12 Android phone. At the beginning, please plug in your charger with your phone. Then turn on display light and press the volume down and power button at the same time. Keep pressing and holding both buttons until the charging logo appears on your display. Now press volume up and then power button at the same time and keep pressing them until the logo appears. When the logo appears, please release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. When the boot menu appears, then remove your power plug-in and navigate by volume up, down and power button. Wipe all your system data by navigating the volume down and press the power button to OK the command. One important note keep in your mind: before you start the process, please plug in your power cable with your charger. Either this process will not work. If it not work by connecting your power cable with your charger, then try a different way, and that is, please connect your phone with your PC by your power cable. Maybe that will work.